Okay, ready. Now I'm start today. Okay, we gathering items. Okay, item one, item two. Oh, finish. How? Oh, fridge is on. Okay, okay. Where is? Ah, yes. Okay, open. Okay, item. Okay, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Okay, close. Next. Where is item? Where? Oh, one item missed. Okay, now next item. Oh, no. Yes, okay, I got it. Oh, one item. Okay, bowls. Okay, milk, bowl, powder, plate, plate. Okay, cream. Okay, one bowl. Okay, milk, sugar, flour. Okay, take the bowl. Yeah, everybody enjoying this moment. The animation game. We ready to the create hard work smart. Okay, ready to next step. Okay, baking powder. Okay, light salt. Eggs, 4 eggs. Okay, one more egg. Okay, finish. Milk. Take the milk. Take the milk. Yes. Wow. Okay, full. Next, mixer. Mix the item. Next step. Okay, red, orange, yellow. Okay, mix or take the mix. Ready. Okay, color is red. Oh my god, super. Take the item. Only two drops, please. Purple. Okay. Oh, it's finished. Liquid is finished. No. Not finished. Food is one of the life's greatest joy. A simple yet profound connection. Oh, sorry. This item. Okay. Sorry, mix. Altogether, the process of making food from the moment you gather ingredients, the final delicious bite, a journey filled with flavors, texture, and emotions. We'll take the one more side, the mix. Okay,